Subscribe to Anu's Food Cart, click on the bell icon and select the option all to get notification whenever I post a new video. Hello friends, welcome to Anu's Food Cart. Today I am here with a Malabar special recipe, Elanji. Elanji is nothing but sweet coconut stuffed pancake pockets. Without any further delay, let us quickly check out how to make this awesome recipe. Place a pan on low-medium flame and add a teaspoon of clarified butter or ghee. Once it is hot, add a tablespoon of broken cashew nuts and fry until they turn slightly golden in color. Now take them off the pan. To the same pan, add in 1 tablespoon of raisins and fry until they plump up. Then take them and keep it aside. Add another teaspoon of clarified butter or ghee into the same pan, and once it is hot, add in the quartered banana pieces which we have kept aside. I have taken moderately ripe Kerala banana, that is Nendraparam. You can take any sweet banana of your choice if you do not get Kerala banana at your place. Fry until brown specks appear on them. Now take them off the pan and keep it aside. Take 2 tablespoons of sugar and 3 tablespoons of water into the same pan and mix until the sugar dissolves completely. Once the sugar dissolves, add in about half a cup of grated fresh coconut to it and mix well. To this, add in a pinch of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of green cardamom powder and mix well. As you can see here, the moisture content is almost 95% gone. Now we'll add in the fried banana and dry fruits to it. Mix it until everything is well combined. Once everything is done, turn off the flame. Take 3/4 cup of plain flour or maida into a bowl and add an egg to it. All the vegetarians can completely avoid egg and replace it with 2 pinches of baking soda or cooking soda. Then add a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and half a teaspoon of salt to it. Whisk it well. Now add about 3/4 cup of water little at a time and mix it well so that you get a batter of thin consistency. Heat a flat pan on medium flame and add about half a cup of batter to the pan and spread it into a thin pancake just as shown here. Cook it on one side for about 30 seconds and then flip it. Now cook for about 15 to 20 seconds and take it off onto a plate. As you can see here, it is cooked well, but there are no brown specks on the pancake, and that is exactly how we want it to be. Similarly, make all the others. Now here is the pancake which we have prepared. Place it onto a plate upside down. Place about 2 to 3 tablespoons of the stuffing which we have prepared in the center of the pancake and fold it neatly as shown here. You can fold it into any other shapes as well. One Elanji is ready. I'm going to decorate it with a piece of cherry. This is completely optional, but I like to make it look attractive. That is why I have done this. So here we have our Elanji ready. Do try it out and enjoy. So that was the recipe of Elanji. I hope you all will definitely make it because it is really very easy, I know, and it is really tasty too. I have added Kerala banana or Nendrapayam in this recipe, but you can completely avoid it and make just sweet coconut filling. But if you can get hold of Kerala banana, do try this recipe out just the way I have shown you and you will definitely love it. I have made it into square shaped ones. You can just add the filling on one side of the pancake and roll them it too. It will taste amazing both ways. I hope you all will try this recipe out and let me know through the comment section below how it turned out, and do make this for your iftar, guys. It is really awesome. Do not forget to like this video and share it with all your loved ones so that they can enjoy good food too. Also subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. I'll catch you with another one. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Today I'm going to share the recipe of Today I'm here with the recipe of Elanji is nothing but stuffed recipe of Elanji, and I have so I'll catch you with another one. Until then, take care. Bye bye.